When it comes to breakfast sandwiches, I'm all about combining quick and delicious, ensuring each bite feels like a small victory against the morning rush. You need something satisfying yet achievable, like a savior encased in toast. The essential point is simplicity. No one wants to wrestle with a breakfast that feels like culinary homework. So let's dive into crafting a breakfast sandwich that gets the job done efficiently and deliciously. First, gather your ingredients: 2 slices of your favorite bread, a couple of eggs, cheese of choice, a few slices of cooked bacon or ham, and some butter or oil. We're looking for a perfect blend of textures and tastes. Having these staples means you're ready to kickstart your morning empowerment ritual with some serious gusto. Heat your skillet over medium-high heat. Here's a common pitfall: impatience. Wait until the skillet's warm before adding a dab of butter or oil. You want that satisfying sizzle when your ingredients hit the pan. Patience is key. It's what separates a good sandwich from a great one. Trust me on this. Crack your eggs into a bowl, beat them with a fork, and add a pinch of salt and pepper. Here's where some creativity comes into play. Before pouring them into your skillet, you could add herbs or even a splash of milk to fluff things up. Consider this your magic potion. Mix wisely. Once your skillet is hot, pour the eggs in and let them cook gently, stirring occasionally. You can reshape them with a wooden spatula so you get just the right size to fit your bread slices. It's like playing Tetris with breakfast. Efficiency and satisfaction bundled into one. Toast your bread slices while the eggs are cooking. Here's a pro tip. Give your slices a light butter or drizzle of olive oil beforehand for that lovely golden crunch. This isn't just about utility, it's about a total sensory delight. Crispy on the outside, soft inside. It's the right way to start any morning. Grab your trace of cheese, like cheddar or Swiss, and place it on one egg side as it finishes cooking. Let it melt from the egg's residual heat. This isn't simply about flavor, it's physics. Melted cheese acts like the glue that holds your dreams together. Make the melt happen. And once your slices are toasted, it's time for assembly. Spread any favorite condiment on one side. Consider mayo with a kick of sriracha for some zing. Otherwise, classic ketchup or mustard will do. Just be aware of your desire for morning excitement versus reliability. Layer your eggs and melted cheese, then add a couple of slices of bacon or ham on top. This layer is where heartiness meets harmony. You might think more is better, but honestly, a couple slices suffice. You want each component to shine, but none to overpower. Simply close your sandwich with the remaining slice of bread and pat it down the middle, if you wish. Here's when you stop to admire your creation. Feel that triumphant rush of having crafted something your morning self will thank you for. There's a real satisfaction in simple victories. Now, consider any sides. If you're feeling really fancy, add a small salad or sliced fruit. This breakfast sandwich might stand alone, but allies on the battlefield at breakfast are always wise. And remember, it's not just about filling your stomach, but nourishing your soul. One last pro tip. If you're a super planner, go ahead and make extra. Wrap those bad boys in parchment and foil, store them in the freezer, and you'll have a ready-to-go champion whenever you like. Breakfast sandwiches represent the perfect union of prep and pleasure. Dyed in,